Today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone navigating the dating scene: how to flirt with a guy without coming across as cheap. Flirting is an art, and doing it right can be the difference between building a genuine connection and sending the wrong message. In this video, we'll explore effective and classy flirting techniques that can attract a man's interest without compromising your dignity or self-respect. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with subtle yet powerful ways to express your interest and charm him effortlessly. Ready to master the art of elegant flirting? Let's dive in. 1. The power of eye contact. Eye contact is like the secret weapon of flirting. It's subtle, yet incredibly powerful. When you make eye contact with someone, it's a nonverbal way of showing interest. But here's the key: it's all about balance. You want to hold their gaze just long enough to show interest, but not so long that it becomes uncomfortable. Think about it like a gentle brush, not a stare-down contest. And when you do break eye contact, a small smile goes a long way. It's like leaving a hint of mystery in the air. 2. The art of complimenting. Compliments are a fantastic way to show your interest, but the trick is to keep them genuine and unique. Instead of going for the usual "you're handsome" line, why not compliment something specific? Maybe it's his sense of style, his laugh, or the way he tells stories. These kinds of compliments show that you pay attention and appreciate him for more than just his looks. And remember, the way you deliver the compliment is just as important. Say it with a smile and a touch of sincerity in your voice. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. 3. The subtle touch. This is flirting 101, but it has to be done right. A light touch on the arm when you laugh at his joke, or a gentle pat on the back as you walk past him, can send just the right message. It's about creating a moment of connection. However, remember, this is about being subtle and respectful. The touch should be brief and casual, not lingering or invasive. It's a way of saying, "Hey, I'm comfortable with you." It's these small gestures that can create an unspoken intimacy, making him feel more connected to you. 4. Engaging in playful teasing. This is a fun and flirty way to show your interest without being too forward. It's about light, humorous banter that brings a smile to his face. Maybe it's teasing him about his favorite sports team, or a playful comment about his coffee choice. The key here is to keep it lighthearted and fun. You want to show your wit and your ability to engage in a fun, flirty exchange. This kind of interaction builds rapport and shows that you're not just interested, but also enjoyable to be around. Remember, the goal is to laugh with him, not at him. 5. Showing genuine interest in his interests. Flirting isn't just about what you say or do. It's also about showing genuine interest in what he loves. When he talks about his hobbies, listen actively. Ask questions that show you're engaged and interested. Does he love music? Ask him about his favorite bands. Is he a movie buff? Discuss recent films you've both seen. This approach shows that you care about what makes him tick, not just about making an impression. It's about building a connection based on mutual interests and showing that you value him beyond surface-level attraction. 6. Using your sense of humor. Laughter truly is the best medicine, and when it comes to flirting, it's your secret weapon. A good sense of humor not only breaks the ice, but also draws people closer. It's about sharing a joke, a funny story, or even playfully making fun of yourself. This doesn't mean you need to be a stand-up comedian. It's about showing that you can see the lighter side of life and enjoy a good laugh. When you laugh, your whole face lights up, and it's infectious. It creates a positive, enjoyable atmosphere around you. Humor also reveals a lot about your personality. It shows that you're approachable, down-to-earth, and fun to be around. So, next time you're conversing with him, don't be afraid to let your humorous side show. Remember, it's not about how funny you are, it's about sharing a moment of joy together. 7. The art of listening. Flirting isn't just about talking, it's equally about listening. When you really listen to what he's saying, you're showing that you value his opinions and thoughts. This is about more than just nodding and smiling. It's about engaging with his conversation, asking follow-up questions, and showing genuine interest in his responses. Active listening involves your whole body. Maintain eye contact, lean in slightly, and use facial expressions and small verbal affirmations to show you're engaged. When he sees that you're truly listening, it makes him feel respected and understood. This creates a deeper connection and shows that you're interested in him as a person, not just as a flirting partner. So, next time you're with him, make a conscious effort to really hear what he's saying. It can make all the difference. 8. Sharing personal stories. Another great way to flirt without looking cheap is to share personal stories. This is about opening up just a bit to let him see a glimpse of the real you. Share stories about your childhood, your dreams, or even funny anecdotes from your day-to-day life. This not only makes the conversation more interesting, but also builds a sense of intimacy. It shows that you trust him enough to share parts of your life with him. However, remember to keep a balance. You don't want to overshare or make the conversation all about you. It's about giving just enough to pique his interest and show that you're an open, genuine person. Plus, your stories can be a great way for him to get to know you better, which is essential in any budding relationship. 9. Flirting with your body language. Body language speaks volumes, often more than words ever could. It's a subtle but powerful tool in flirting. A slight tilt of the head, a playful twirl of your hair, or even the way you stand can send signals of interest. Mirroring his body language is another subtle cue. If he leans in, you lean in. It's like a dance where your movements are in sync. But remember, subtlety is key. It's not about grand gestures. It's about those small, almost unconscious actions that show you're engaged and interested. Pay attention to your posture too. Standing tall and confidently not only makes you more attractive, but also helps you feel more self-assured. 10. Creatively using text messages. In the digital age, flirting doesn't just happen face-to-face, it happens on our phones too. Texting can be a fantastic way to flirt, especially when you can't be together in person. It's about using words to create a connection. Send a message that shows you're thinking of him. It could be as simple as a good morning text or something more playful like a joke or a meme. The key is to keep it light and fun. You can also use texting to show interest in his day, his thoughts, or his plans. But remember, timing is important. Don't bombard him with messages. Give him space to respond and keep the conversation flowing naturally. 11. Flirting through shared experiences. Creating shared experiences is a wonderful way to build a connection. It could be as simple as trying a new coffee shop together or as adventurous as going for a hike. When you share experiences, you create memories. It's an opportunity to show your fun side, your adventurous spirit, and even your vulnerabilities. During these experiences, you can flirt by sharing glances, laughing together, and enjoying each other's company. These moments become special, building a bond that goes beyond just flirting. They become the foundation of a deeper connection. 12. Subtle flirting through social media. Social media can be a modern arena for flirting, but again, subtlety is key. Engage with his posts in a way that shows interest but isn't overbearing. A like, a thoughtful comment, or even sharing something with him that you think he'd enjoy can be a way to show you're thinking of him. But remember to maintain your own identity and interests on social media. Show aspects of your life and personality that are genuine and interesting. This creates a dynamic where you're both getting to know each other better in a public yet personal space. 13. The charm of spontaneity. This isn't just about what you do. It's also about how you react. Imagine he shares a sudden plan or idea. Showing enthusiasm and willingness to go along can be a huge green flag. It tells him that you're not just fun to be around, but also adaptable and open to life's surprises. However, it's not just about being agreeable. It's also about bringing your own spontaneous ideas to the table. Maybe it's a new restaurant you've wanted to try or a local event that seems fun. Spontaneity creates an atmosphere of excitement and unpredictability, which can be incredibly alluring. It shows you're not afraid to step out of your comfort zone and invites him to do the same. This shared adventurous spirit can be a great bonding experience, adding depth to your interaction beyond the usual flirting. Now that you know how to flirt with him, what's next? Discover how to build sexual tension with him, or learn about the traits of high-value women that men look for. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.